Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to be trying out the Sheglam hair curler, which I showed you in my testing Sheglam makeup, and I mentioned to you guys that I was going to be testing it out in a separate video. So today is the day where we're going to be testing it out and I'm very excited about it. So this is it here. And the reason why I'm very excited about this is because it's kind of like this automatic machine where it kind of like wraps your hair in it for you rather than you having to like curl it around a barrow. First of all, it's called the It Curl One Touch Instant Curler. And I have the 32mm barrow. There is another one, I think it's 25mm, something like that, but I went for the 32mm. And this is how it looks right here. And how like cool does this look? I love, first of all, like the colour of it, the silver and kind of like rose gold. It goes from 170 to 210 degrees Celsius. So basically what you do is you put your hair in this little slot here. You put it in the longer side because there is like a slightly shorter slot in this side, but you put it in the longer slot and it basically automatically, press a button and it automatically wraps your hair for you. You can like press it to go like clockwise, and you can also press it to go anti-clockwise depending on what way you want your hair to, you know, frame your face. So before I start using it, I do have this hair oil which I want to try out as well from Sheglam. It's called the Hot Streak Thermal Defense Glow Oil Elixir. You can apply this to your hair before or after styling it, and it says you can also use it on wet or dry hair. And it says just to use like one pump, but my hair is quite long, so I'm going to use like more than that on just like the one side first of all. It has a really nice scent to it. My hair is very long, so I'm trying to fit it all into the camera for you. We're going to just start off with this side first, see how we get on. I'm going to grab a little section of my hair, and like I said, you place the hair into the longest slot side, so like here. I put it to 230 degrees Celsius because my hair is long, it is thick, and it kind of needs a lot of heat to kind of hold and create a curl sort of thing in my hair. I've got it in the highest setting, and then I've placed my hair in the longest side, like the longest slot side, which is here. Then I'm just going to press the button here for it to kind of curl my hair. And once it's fully curled, it will beep to tell you that it is ready. Yeah, did you hear the little beep there that it made? Well, that's saying it is ready, but I like to like kind of keep it on a little bit longer before I pull my hair out. So then you just basically pull your hair straight down, and this is what I've got so far. Like, it's not the best curl, but it is like my first kind of time showing you on camera. But I'm going to like basically put this back in and redo it because I feel like I didn't do it the best there, but you kind of get the idea of like how you place your hair in it and obviously how it works. So then I'm pressing the button again, and then we'll just leave it till it beeps. Okay, so this is the curl that it's given me. Like, ooh, it's hot. Kind of like the slightly looser type of curl, like for my hair, because it is quite long and your hair doesn't really get that tangled or caught in it. I have like really hot long hair and I thought my hair would get like super tangled in this, but it doesn't. So again, there we are. I should really section off my hair to show you how I do this. And you see how easy it is, like it just curls it amazingly. That's a good curl. So I've decided to section off my hair, so I'm going to use my clip here just to clip up the top portion of my hair. I should have really done that from the beginning, but anyway, I'm just going to continue. You can like leave the end of your hair out as well if you want like a straighter end, if you know what I mean, rather than it really curled. You can do whatever you prefer. It was not a good idea to curl my hair with a wide neck and low neck top on. My skin is getting burnt here. That's me done this lower section of my hair. Pretty decent curls, if you can see there. Like, my hair is very long, and I feel like I done this side a bit better than this side, but I can always fix it up later. But as you can see, they are quite loose, but my hair is very long, so like obviously it's going to like look more loose. I'm just going to do the top section of my hair now. You might be able to see the curls a bit better in the top part of my hair. Okay, so this is a bit that I always find difficult. I never know which way to actually like curl the front section of my hair. So with this, obviously you can go clockwise and anti-clockwise. I think for this side, I don't know, I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. If you guys know which way I should be curling my hair in the front, please let me know in the comments section. I don't think I've done that right. I think it should be the other way. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Okay, maybe that's right. Okay, so here's how this section of my hair looks, and I think that looks pretty decent. Obviously you can comb it through if you like to, but I like to just leave them, you know, like tight like that for a while, because my hair can fall pretty quickly out of a curl. So if I leave it and don't brush it through or comb it through, then it lasts a little bit longer. So yeah, so far this is what we have, and I don't have any layers or anything in my hair. Like, everything is like the one length right now. I really need to get a little bit of movement in my hair, but like right now it's all the one length, so probably my curls won't look the best. If there was like different layers in my hair, then you would get like more volume and more like, I don't know, just it would look probably a little bit better. But anyway, now for this front section, I'm gonna like, I think, switch it to go the other way, you know, the opposite way to the other side, but we'll see. Something's not right there, so I'm just going to redo this section. I'll probably mess it up now. It's okay. So in case you're wondering, I did apply the hair oil throughout my hair, like in different sections, when I was curling it, but obviously depending how I, you know, edit it and cut it, you might not see me applying it all the time, but I was applying it through my hair. Okay, this is how we're looking, and my hair is very, very soft right now. It's just basically washed, so it is very, very soft, and my hair is naturally quite like sleek, so it takes a lot for my hair to take to a curl. I think this is a really nice tool for like having those effortless looking waves. Hopefully you guys can see, but my hair is nice and curled. I love how easy it is to curl your hair with the tool, because like you just press the button and it just automatically wraps your hair in it, which is great. Once it does beep, I do leave my hair on it for a little bit longer, just because I need like extreme heat for my hair to take a curl. But anyway, as you can see, it is giving me some decent curls. I think it's really nice, and like this is a 32mm barrel. There is a slightly thinner one where you might get like more tighter curls, depending on like how long your hair is, obviously. So yeah, if I went for the smaller size, I probably would get tighter curls than these, but I didn't want like really tight curls, so for me this is nice. So hopefully you guys can see how my hair looks, and I don't usually brush it or comb it, because my hair like falls quite quickly out of a curl, so I'll just like leave it the way it is. I could spray it with hairspray, but I don't actually have any hairspray. The ends are all nice and curled as well. You can keep the ends more straighter, which I prefer them to be a bit straighter, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is like for your hair to just really wrap right in the barrel if you want, but you can leave like a little bit of your hair out the end if you don't want like the super curly end. This is how it looks, and I think it looks really nice. Like, I'd love to know what you think. It's so easy to use, and like your hair doesn't get like stuck in it, and I love that it beeps to tell you that it's ready. So if you do have like finer hair, obviously don't put it to the high setting, but also like it kind of like lets you know like that's enough time sort of thing for your hair, so you don't get too much heat damage. And because it's automatic as well, it's good for the arms. Like, usually when I curl my hair with my GHD curling one, it's honestly like an arm workout. So to do it with this without having to lift your arms up too much, like, it's so much more relaxing and a lot more easier to do. So my hair's all like the one length right now, so it might not look the best, but if you have like more layers in your hair, or if you have slightly shorter hair, then I think this will be great and you'll probably get more like volume. So yeah, bear that in mind. Like obviously my hair is very, very long, so I would love to know what you think of the hair tool, also how you think my hair looks with using it. Now for the hair oil, this is okay. Like I don't see like a massive difference in my hair with using it. Like, do you guys see much of a difference? Is it any more shinier than it was at the beginning? I don't know, or maybe it looks more dry. I don't know, because this is a glow oil elixir. If I put it through my hair just now that it's done, it will weigh my hair down. I just know that, so that's why I don't want to do it. I have to use it a bit more to like see if I really like it. But yeah, so far it's okay, but I don't know if it's really necessary. But anyway, yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this review. Like, it was a little bit difficult to kind of explain how to use the tool while I'm actually trying to curl it, but you just kind of like have to see what I'm doing, sort of thing, to kind of understand it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of an idea of this tool, and if you want to pick it up for yourself, like I think it is a really great curling wand. Like, it is, like, if you struggle with curling your hair, this is a good curler, and it's hot enough for your hair as well. And I hope you like how my hair has turned out. Like, I think it looks really nice. But anyway, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love if you hit the subscribe button just down below. Click the bell so you get notified of all my future videos, and I will speak to you very soon in my next one. Bye.